Hi friends, this is Rajinikanth, Excel Guru, and here I'm going to share a solution, the query which has been posted in WhatsApp group, and this query actually I posted in to check the solution whether it will answer properly or not in ChatGPT, but ChatGPT saying that it's highly impossible to find the solution for the query which I posted. Okay, here Excel Guru will solve that query. See, here I'm going to share and I'll explain the query. See, we have to find the last city sales by using VLOOKUP. But ChatGPT is failed to give the solution for this query. But Excel Guru will solve this. Right. Before going, I will show you the output so that you can able to understand perfectly. That's it. London 143, last London. Okay. Any other country? Atlanta. Atlanta is not there. Moscow. Okay. Moscow is only one thing. Myanmar is occurring 3 times. So we have to get answer 802. Okay. Like let's check it out. IAMI. When I enter, then it will give you the 802 is the as the output. Right. Here is the solution which I'm going to share it with you guys. First of all, what you want to do means you have to check in which position Miami is occurring. The first thing you have to follow. In which position? How many Miamis are there? Miami are there? And what are the positions in Miami? For that reason, what you have to do means, I will ask, is anything in this Miami? So it will give you all the truth and falses. Okay. F9, true and falses. Now we want to find the position of this. Okay. So what I'll do here, not only, if this is equal to Miami, then row of this minus row of this plus 1. Okay, whenever it finds the true, pick up the corresponding row number, which starts from 1 to 10. See, let me check whether it's working. F9, 1 to 9. Okay, wherever it finds the true, it has to pick up the corresponding row number. That is, how many are there? 9 are there. So it has to pick up the corresponding row number from here. Okay, this is the first thing. I'm copying this one. Now what I'll do means here I use a max. So max means it will pick up the maximum number from here. F9. So 2, 5, 7. 3 times it's occurring. One is second row and second one is fifth row and seventh one is seventh row. Okay, 3 Miamis are there. So what I am telling, pick up the 7th position, right, from a range. Done. Here one thing is over. Okay. I'll suspend this formula and I'll show you another one so that you can able to understand easily. Okay. Just now I copied now. So what I use choose flower bracket 1, comma 2. Right. Now I paste this one and comma I paste the occurrence this one there. See, whichever I read this one. Okay, close parenthesis. Okay, for better understanding, I'm splitting the formula each and every time so that you can able to understand perfectly. F9. So what here is showing that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, each and every position, each and every occurring value is giving some corresponding sales. Right. We need seventh one. Okay, seventh one we need. Right. Now, what I'll do, I'll copy this one. Right. I'll suspend this. Now, here what I'll do means F2, F2. I use VLOOKUP here. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is it becomes lookup value as the 7. Okay, lookup value as 7, comma, control V, comma, pick up from the second column, comma, 0. Second column is this one. This one, see. Here I said now in choose one. Here I said that it is second one. Very choose, wait a minute. More is not working right. This is second value. So it will pick up the second value and it is an array. So for Excel 2010 users, you have to use Control Shift and Enters. But I'm using Enter, I'm using 365 Enters. Got it. 802 is the right answer. If I add Miami once again here, Control C and Control V, so it has to pick up this 684 at the last value. Understood? Control Z. I enter Moscow here. This one. Moscow already there, double time. Paris. Paris is not there, so I will enter Paris here. Paris, Paris. I will keep Paris here. Let's check. Paris. Now it has to give last occurrence, that is 275. Okay, guys. And in next video, I'll show you with the Power Query. And right. That's all for now. And I hope you find any useful information in this video session. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support. Jai Shri Ram.